Okay, kind of to the side a little bit, like sideways, and then have maybe a hand on the hip or something. But rotate your body to the side a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, let's do a couple where you're looking down and maybe holding your belly. And touch your face up just a little bit. We'll do this one next.
Alright.
Yay! Wait, how was it go?
So you're gonna have your right hand on her neck.
No.
In a loving way. in a loving way. And then you're gonna be. You want to do something without glasses, or you good with it?
You can do something without glasses.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, you look at the camera.
Like, kind of like that. I don't know.
Yeah.
I saw a photo like it, and it was.
Attempt to look this way.
That works.